In Eduphoria, you can utilize the local and STAR-released item banks to assist in creating quality assessments for your campus. To do this, you can add questions from an item bank by starting with a new blank test from the overview screen, or if you have an existing test that you have started already, you can add questions to that by going to Author and searching for the test. If you're creating a new assessment or editing an existing assessment, you want to make sure the correct course is chosen, as this is associated with the item bank questions that will be available to choose from. Under Questions, if it is the first question of the assessment, you will see this screen. If you come back to a test and need to add another question from the bank, you will use the plus button and choose Search Item Bank. Here you will choose a standard, or you can choose all standards. If I'm looking at ELA, you will search the bank through the Resource tab. Whether you are looking through questions or resources, you will want to make sure you toggle to the local item bank, since STAR item bank is typically the default. Specifically for reading language arts, you will view the questions by passage. Click on the arrow to expand the questions associated with that passage. If you want specific questions from that passage, you can add each question individually. If you want all of the questions associated with the passage, you can click Add All Questions. This adds them to a question cart, and when you are done, you can click Add to Test. There are additional filters to help search questions and passages based on genre, lexile, word count. Some of these filters may not work right now, but we are continuing to improve our district item bank. For other subjects like math, science, and social studies, when you have selected a standard or have selected all standards, again, making sure you toggle to the local item bank, there are also filters you can use to help find questions, such as question type, DOK, and language. The question type, you can distinguish between interactive questions or selected responses, but you cannot specify whether you want a hotspot or drag and drop. They're all under just interactive responses. To see the full question, you will click on the question and it will expand so that you can see the answer choices and any other details about the question. When searching questions, you can also use keywords like triangle if I'm trying to find all questions that deal with triangles. Once I've found the question that I want to add, I will click the Add Question and it will add it to my cart on the left-hand side. Once you have all the questions you need, you can press Add to Test and they will be added to your test in Eduphoria. From here, you can make any adjustments or edits. You can also preview the question by clicking on the Preview button, and then you can begin to prepare your test for online administration. This concludes the video on how to utilize Eduphoria item banks for building high quality assessments. Be sure to reach out to other team members, specialists, and administrators, or even other district departments for additional support.